What's up, guys? Let me know when you can see me in the chat. So what's happening? I just got off work, so bear with me. I didn't even get a chance to open the charts yet. We have broken out. Is this going to continue, or is this going to be a fake out? You can see my charts and everything, right, guys? Last time I got on, nobody could see my charts. All right, so we broke our resistance at that 75.81 that we had marked this morning. We are, let me move this out of the way to get rid of confusion. We definitely have broken out here, guys. Heading up towards our big resistance at 77. If we blow through that, I do think we're going around the 8,000 to 8,100 at least. We could come back down and retest this, you know, around 75, 70, 75, 60, somewhere in that area. So keep that in mind as we are moving. Good to see you guys made it. Just so you guys know, this will be like the live streams like this when there's action. And like, usually I'd like to do it before the move broke out, but obviously I was at work. But these will be what the members get. It'll be members only as soon as we get enough members in there. Just to let you guys know, I will still do everything I normally do, my updates. I'll still do live streams and stuff, but breakouts and things like that will be members only. So you guys know. Eva said I bought the breakout. Is that okay? Are you in profit? It's looking pretty strong, although Litecoin is stuck at my target right there. So Litecoin might break out right now. It looks like it's trying to move again. But guys, like I said this morning, the EMAs look really strong. Litecoin is trying to break out of this downward channel that I have in yellow. We will have resistance here if it does end up breaking out. But let's get back over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still pumping 76, 78. And if you guys watched the video this morning, I had explained if we popped out of this white channel here, which we already popped out of the yellow, that was going to be bullish. And that's exactly what we're seeing now. So Bitcoin stock RSI is bullish on all time frames. Nice. Yeah, everything's looking pretty damn bullish on all time frames. I know a lot of Elliott waivers were saying we were getting another leg down right now. And that's not to say we don't pump up here and come back down. But like I said before, and I've been saying, I think the bottom is in, and I think this was a stop hunt from this area here. As you can see, I'm on the 4 hour. Let's see how long that hunt stayed down there. So we could probably see it actually in the 15 minutes. And that's what makes me really believe it was a stop hunt. Yeah, it was down there about a half hour, I would say. Let's put a 30 minutes on there. Yeah, it was down there about 30 minutes, just enough to pick up the stop. So excuse me. Shazam said the gap has been filled, so we don't have to come down, right? Let me check something real quick. Yeah, I got the chat on. Everything's on. Good deal. Get back over to the chat. Make sure you guys smash the likes. I do appreciate that. And I want to give everyone a big shout out. Everybody that comments on all the morning updates, I really appreciate that. That helps out more than you know. Another thing I wanted to mention is that membership, that's not for, if you're not trading, there's no really reason for you to join the membership. Basically, it's just for focused trading. Everything else, everything I've been doing is still going to remain free, still going to remain the same. The Discord's still free. There is a members section in the Discord just for members, but like I said, that's for strict trading. So like I said, a lot of people were saying, oh, you're going to paid now. I'm doing everything I was doing before for free, everything. I'm just adding some stuff, and that's the membership, just so you guys know. Yeah, let's go down a smaller time frame and see what is going on here. $15 minutes. All right, so if we look here, looks like we just had somebody subscribe. Old School Clubberland, welcome to the group. All right, let's just do a measured move real quick, see what this is going on here. This will be for the more immediate move. Looks like about 78.50 range, 78.69 is most likely where we're headed here. Keep in mind we can go down and retest that white trend line first. But if we do get up to that point, that'll break us out of, let me see. Let me go back over to the 4 hour. Yeah, I don't know what them other trend lines were in that 15 minute. Let me go back over there and get that stuff out of there. Sorry, guys. Need to clean this chart up, apparently. No idea what all that is. But anyways. Yeah, that 85 range would be right around in here, which would line up with this trend line and the bigger trend line. Let me get rid of these. I have no idea what those are. Apparently, I was thinking something at one time or another. But yeah. Let's zoom in a little bit. I'll try to zoom in so we can keep an eye on what's going on here. Litecoin is still stuck at the target. Bitcoin's definitely pumping with some force here, guys. Let's go back over to Litecoin. RSI looks good. Litecoin is still getting resistance on that trend line. It did poke through, so we probably will continue up with Litecoin also. It's got to break this trend line right here in the RSI. We're looking pretty good, guys. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Little Miss Begster, Andrew, Focus, Montana, Romaine, Jacob, Victoria, Mike Weber. I will go in the chat now and chat. Let's see what's going on. We are right at my target right now in Litecoin. If we can break through there, you guys know the target I gave you earlier, and that's going to be around the $52 range. $51 to $52 up here for Litecoin. It's looking pretty damn good. And Andy Jack said, holy crap, guys, this is it. How's ETH doing, Savvy? I haven't looked at ETH at all. I'm sure it's doing well, though. I'm just going to keep focused on Bitcoin and Litecoin right now. Montana, can you explain services again? Yeah. Like I said, if you're not trading or interested in trading, there's no need to join the membership because everything I do here and have been doing is all going to remain the same. I'll still do every day my daily updates in the morning, and I'll still be in the Discord. I won't be doing as much of showing my trades and stuff in the Discord as much. I'll be doing that in the private, in the members Discord, the trade setups and all that. But the level 1 is basically, it's like $4. It's just basically just to join, and you get your own little, you get emojis and some other stuff. Basically, it's just support for the channel. Level 2 is you get the live streams. And so when I do live streams, looking at a breakout or a move coming, you'll be notified, but only members only. And then level 3 is the live streams plus the members chat group. So that's what it is. We'll probably be adding more stuff to it. We're going to change it around once we get the members in and talk about it, see what everybody'd like to have. That's what we're going to do. So that's where I'm at. Savvy Greek Freak, what's up, man? Montana. Those are called trolls, man, and jealous people that don't like people that are successful. Fly fishing started shit. You have a history you're willing to show? Yeah, I show my history. I show all my trades in the Discord right now. Irish Derek, do you mind having a bald, middle-aged viewer? That would freak me out a little. Hold on a second, guys. Work is still texting me. Alright, sorry about that. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. Okay, I'm back. Let's shoot a hole through the moon. On way to Mars. What's good, everybody? Savvy man, nice calls. Thanks, Agent Mamby. And I will. Where's the secretary? Who's the secretary? I don't have a secretary. I have a boss that lives with me. Austin, glad I held on. Hopefully this year was a little better than last, right? Hold on a second. Sorry, guys. My phone will not quit going off. I apologize. Montana, because this takes a lot of time, I'm adding extra to it. I'm still doing everything free, but it takes a lot of time. I pay monthly fees for a lot of the programs and stuff I use to do this. Get equipment, set up the office, all that stuff costs money. So I'm setting back the cost a little bit. And not to mention my time. All you see is 15-minute videos in the morning. Those 15-minute videos, I wake up about 4:30 in the morning to get those videos out by 8 before I go to work. So, you know, if anybody's got a bitch about it, move on. Go watch somewhere else or go pay somewhere else. Or you can pay for a shitty course and pay like $1,000. Mass Ninja says, I don't think we'll moon till 20K. I see a slow grind. But yeah, that's why. Talk about gold. Archie, I'll look at gold. I haven't looked at it today. Like I said, I just got home from work. Our first target has hit. Actually, it's a second target. Our first target was lower. Our target has hit. It does look like it will most likely continue. It's probably going to definitely have to have a correction here. Maybe another bull flag or something, but it's definitely going to have some correction here. Our RSI is pretty high up here. It kind of looks like some bearish divergence. So yeah, it'll probably most likely get a correction here. We are at 77, our big resistance. We go into the smaller. If this breaks and we can get support there, guys, that will be spectacular. We have broke our old high over here, which our old high was at 76.80. We have not broken this high over here, or either one of these actually. This would be the high to break, and that's at the 78.70 mark. And look at that. That lines up with this target from this measured move. So we'll see what happens. Shazam, Savvy, or 46K prediction will happen. Yeah, I'm pretty confident in that. I was just off on time. And if you guys watched my videos from the beginning, I always said I hate to put a time on any move. And that's a prime example. Check Litecoin. Still stuck. Still stuck directly at my target. It does look all right, though. We did break the trend there, so I think Litecoin's going to continue up, too. Everything's taking a little break right now. But it still looks good, guys. What exchange is that charting? The one I'm on right now, I use Coinbase for the USD just for the videos. You know, when I'm trading, I trade on the exchange that I'm trading on or with that exchange. I still use TradingView. Right? Thanks, little Miss Bagster. Yes, it is. How you doing, Bitcoin broke? And how's the boy? Wild Bull Cody. Hey, Savvy, does this seem like a change in overall behavior to you? The bottom is in. I've been saying I think the bottom's in for quite a while now, for probably a couple weeks since we did this low right here. And I just went over it in the beginning of the video. I believe that this was a stop point right here. Paul Bear, thanks, brother. Appreciate the tip, man. Pulled back a little from watching things so closely, especially while down, but still 100% support you. That I am long and strong. Thanks, Savvy. Right on, Paul. 1 hour chart. This wick took tiny, or looks tiny. We are definitely sitting at that 7,700 resistance, guys. But like I said, looking at the RSI here, you can see we're still in a good zone. Real good zone. So yeah, I'm still bullish here. I think we're going to continue up to at least this 78.66, which also lines up with this old high over here. And the measured move I had, if you guys watched the video this morning and the last couple days, is just measuring this falling wedge that we broke out of here, being 8,080. Good and good. Couldn't be happier. Awesome. Are we over the 50-day? I don't use simple moving averages. I only use EMAs, and the EMA that I'm watching is we broke the 55 EMA right here. If we close above that, that'll be great. And we are above 7,700, guys, cranking up. But the 200 EMA right here is what I'm looking at, and that is right around that 8150. Right around the 8150 is the 200 EMA on the daily, and that's what I'm watching. Getting a hell of a pump here, though. If we close 4 hour above 7680, then 8.2 is looking good. Yeah, I mean, my ultimate target's up here at the 8,500. But we have to, obviously, we have to get these targets first, so. I don't know why that is that color. There we go. How's the RSI? For Bitcoin, it's good. I just looked at it. This is the 4 hour. We could look at the daily RSI too. Pop up the daily RSI, and the daily RSI is good, just like we talked about this morning. In this morning's video, we have popped out of this yellow falling channel and most likely going to come up, test the top of this one for support. If that breaks, yeah, if we test that for support, that's going to be around the 8,000, 8,100 range would be the top of this. If we break above that, then we could be heading up to that $8,500 range. It's definitely a possibility here. Go back to the 4 hour. Breaking back, testing the 7,700. I literally went all in right before it broke. Nice, Jeremiah. Just be careful, man. Oh, here we go again with this freaking Iron Man. Get a life, dude. Jesus. His whole life is just to come aggravate me and talk shit in my chat. Go get your own viewers. Try to figure out why you don't have any. It probably has a lot to do with your attitude and your whiny ass, low self-esteem, no ego, or all ego, no self-esteem, weird ass dude, man. No one wants to watch you or talk to you. This dude is a freaking moron, man. Anyway, he's been hidden, so he'll go change his name again. That's what his life consists of. That would be a miserable, miserable, shitty life. Ken Gross, if attracting trolls, then you made it, right? People are idiots, man. Total idiots. He's a loser with no viewers, and he's kind of like them rappers that call out better rappers just so that rapper will mention their name. That's why I don't mention his name, because he's just trying to get some kind of somebody that's better than him to say his name. So it's Tin Man. No, it's Tin Man, Adam. His name is Tin Man. And that's another reason why I'm doing the live chats for members only, because of shit like that. That disrupts the chat, especially if we're focusing on trading or, you know, looking for entries or exits, and you got idiots like that that keep changing their name and coming back in, and you have to keep banning them. That's another reason for the members. So you guys know. Yeah, he's a dirt ball. I mean, you can just look at him. He's a dirty grub dirt ball. Probably Chico fan. No, he's his own fan. He is his own fan. He's his own fan. He gets no views. Nobody watches his crap. He sits there and whines. He's made about 4 videos about me, talking all kinds of shit because he's insecure wacko. The dude's got issues, man. And no one watches him because look at what he does. He's an idiot. No one likes him. Exactly. That's why he goes in talking shit in other people's groups. He's a jealous little biatch. It's all good. We make money off people who trade like him. 7740, we're doing good, guys. Like I said, we're probably gonna head up to this, at least this 7866 area, and we may get some resistance there. We may bounce around there for a little bit. We could even, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we spiked all the way up to the 8,000 to 8,100 zone either, but we'll see. I'm not saying his name in here, Little Miss Bagster. You can instant message me or something, and I'll give it to you so you can look at his dumb shit. I don't want to give that idiot any more views. Can we break a few resistance levels and head towards 10K? Ken Gross, tell Bitcoin to go to 9K. It listens to you. I wish. Mass Ninja said, I heard we're not going to 1 million Bitcoin by the end of the year. Yup, and McAfee is backing out on his deal. See, he went and changed his name again. Idiot, man. Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable that someone is that messed up in their head and jealous of other people that he goes and does that. Savy's favorite saying that makes me smile is, what not? $50 Litecoin, wonder if it will dump above 50. Well, first it has to break out above that. There we go. We got resistance at the 55 EMA on the daily in Litecoin, which is right at about 45.90. Let's go into the 4 hour on Litecoin real quick. I've blocked him permanently 1,000,000 times, George. 1,000,000 times. He just keeps coming back. He's a real troll. A real troll. How would you like to be, or whatnot? Whatnot, like that? Oh my God, people are whacked the hell out these days, man. His heart is probably beating so fast and he wants to say something so bad right now. I can just imagine how bad his life is sucking right now. He's probably making a video talking shit. Oh, it cracks me up, man. Yeah, so if you look at Litecoin, it did get resistance on that trend line right there where I had the trend line drawn in there. So we'll see what happens there. We could come back down and test in this range. Actually, it could go in the median somewhere. Could come back, test the 200 EMA possibly around the 43.40 range if we do fall from here. But if we do break this trend line here, that should be pretty bullish, and we're most likely headed up to at least the 49.40 range. There is room to do that too if we break up out of this here in the RSI. Stuck on a dang work call, sneaking in the live stream. What's up, Andre? Pascal, I would do it, not right now, not with this going on. I'm not going to switch charts because I don't have the chart set up and crap right now. So I'm just keeping an eye mainly on Bitcoin and Litecoin in this group. So darn it, Litecoin breakout. I'm going to find that damn troll. He actually put one of my videos on his, that's how dumb he is. He actually put one of my videos on his thing and I got him a copyright strike. So he won't do it anymore. If he does, he will get more copyright strikes and get his channel taken down. Even though he'd probably be better off starting a new channel because he don't have shit for followers. Could you explain the Divvy project? And Agent, I don't understand the Divvy project really, and not to say nothing bad about it, but I don't trust none of that stuff. Until it's been around and proved itself, I really don't want to touch anything like that. It just sounds funky to have something and then earn, you know, it don't make sense. I mean, it may be legit. I'm not saying it's not, but I don't mess with that stuff, so. What's up, Henry? Bitcoin on the rise. Looks like I'm going to meet my deductible for my kitchen. Nice, Mizzle. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Your kitchen flooded. Muhammad, exciting few days. Yeah, it has been. You know what happened to Crypto Zombie? He hasn't made a video. Yeah, he's on vacation, Brad. I talked to him, I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before. He's on vacation. It's his first vacation off of YouTube in 2 years, so much deserved. I didn't ask him when he'll be back, but he is on vacation. He's actually out of the country right now. We just talked about it. You just missed the Litecoin. We are stuck on this trend line in this rising channel right now. If it breaks, my targets are 49.40 to 50, up to about $51, $52 if this breaks. But if not, we're most likely coming back down to at least test the 41.40, possibly 43, 45, somewhere in there where the 200 EMA is. But it does look good. It could pop out of here. We got enough room to pop up and out of this area right here with the with the trend line and the RSI where it's at. So is the halving priced in? Archie Archer asked. I don't think so, man. I really don't think so. Right on, Rahul. Smash the likes, folks. 70 likes and 209 watching. Yeah, guys, take a second out, smash the likes. It'd be highly appreciated. And if you want to support the channel, you can check out the affiliate links down below. They also have, you know, the affiliate links down there have Discord or discounts and stuff for you guys too. Some ways to get some free crypto and whatnot. And it also helps support the channel. Looks like somebody just subscribed. Who was it? Pascal Peters, welcome. How many of us would like to make 650 bucks a day? That isn't bad. Yeah, I've made that way more than that in a day. If you check my my trades, like I said, I post them in the Discord. Go check them. What's up, Novsky? Oh, is Litecoin trying to move? Litecoin's trying to break it. Let's see if it can break. It's getting heavy resistance right there, guys. And mind you, I didn't move any of this stuff. I never move any of my lines or anything except when I'm live, or not live, but when I do my morning videos and you can see me move them. What do you think of Bitcoin log growth curves? I mean, I guess you can, I don't know. I don't really have an opinion on them, honestly. I do have my own log chart. I don't have it pulled up right now. I don't even know if I have it. Let me see if I have it set up in here. Maybe. Yeah, I have my own log chart set up here. Not so keen on the, or not so big on the curves, but I have all Fibonacci levels in here. So, and it actually looks pretty good. Another thing I wanted to point out is this monthly here, guys. Look at that. We could break out of this month. That would be fantastic. No guarantees, but it would be nice. The weekly RSI. We've been talking about this on the morning updates, breaking through this support just like we did back here. We capitulated, broke back up above just like we did back here. And we came back down, tested it for support, got support, never looked back. We have already gotten support here. And actually on this, the RSI is breaking on this line, and all I did was cloned it off of these wicks down here on the RSI. So this is the weekly, so it really doesn't matter unless it closes outside of this, and that'll be pretty damn bullish also. But what do I know, right? Do you have end of your price prediction for Bitcoin? I do not. I haven't looked into it that far yet. It all depends on what happens here, man. If this breaks. I still believe we could see a $40,000, $50,000 Bitcoin the end of this year, possibly. Litecoin's breaking out, Henry said. Nope, it's still sitting there. Still getting resistance at the trend line. What's up, Anthony? How you doing, brother? Mass Ninja, are we breaking out because we had no CME gap to fill? I don't know. I've had these targets here since the beginning of the week. Actually, the end of the week we were talking about these targets. So good to hear, Anthony. G the Maggot said the general feel is very good. I still like your blue Adidas cap better. Oh, what'd silver do today? Anything? Nope, still lingering. Gold. Where'd the Dow end up? 28.7. Watching Litecoin closely, it's hitting resistance hard. Yeah, it is. It's banging on it. I'll keep it zoomed in right there so you can watch it. But it's trying. Bitcoin would probably help it if Bitcoin could push up a little bit higher here. And that's definitely possible. Like I said, we could come back down, guys. Don't be scared if we come back down and retest this in the next couple hours. My midnight video at work. What's up, Tossic? Watching Litecoin closely. Oh, is level 3 going to be just like eToro, but just with you? If so, I'm in. George Loveless. No, it's not going to be like eToro, man. We're going to talk. Like I said, everybody that is getting into it, if you're new to trading and you do join the members only, we're going to have it. You need to just use paper trades until you can make successful trades on your own continuously before you put money in and actually use real money. I'm not going to sit there and tell people when to get in and out. We're going to talk about it, how to do it. We'll look at our setups, tell you, there's a few other guys that trade quite a bit that are already going to be in there with us. So where do you do your trading? Right here. Watch out, Savy. The gold bug may dump the price with the bags he doesn't have. He's got bags, man. He owns Bitcoin. He's not stupid. Not good, SB. I've been cheating. Was this the bottom or do we go lower? I think it was the bottom, but we'll see. Look, he's back. He's back. That's how bad his life sucks. He's such a loser. Later, loser. He changes his name and comes back. Is that the craziest dude you ever seen? What a fucking idiot. That is why we're doing the membership live chats only, guys. So if you do enjoy the live chats, that's going to be the only way you're going to see them in the future. You may see a couple more of these, and that's probably about it. Sick of idiots. I don't feel like dealing with idiots. I don't have to deal with idiots. What's up, Nap? Bambi. It's only if you're trading. It's only if you're trading. Like I said, there's different levels. If you hit the join Bambi down on the bottom, it'll explain the different levels, kind of tell you what you get. Each level gets something different plus whatever's above the levels above. Live chat or live show? There's a live chat and a live show. Level 2's the live shows, live streams like this. That'll be members only. And it'll be, there'll be more in-depth than we do on these live streams. I'll put it that way. Henry said, yo, Savy, this means you're doing great. Yeah, this dude is like obsessed, man. He's sick. The dude's sick in the head. He should really go see a doctor. Montana. Be careful when you say shit like that if something happens to him, man. I'd do it myself. I'd like to box that dude. If he, I know he's in here watching, so if you want to box, dude, my email's down below. Email me, and I will publicly beat the shit out of you while you're all hyper and whining. And your name won't get mentioned, so you won't get no props. I'm just going to beat the shit out of you. Can I use the drone to put it on YouTube? Right? Hell yeah. Was he in a Discord before? I think he was, yeah. Him and his wife. His wife came in talking shit too. Could you imagine being around their house? All they talk about is Savy. He's got a very, very low self-esteem, you can tell. C171 Pilot Dude said sell at 4610, he thinks. Did we break out of that? Oh yeah, it's breaking out. Nice. And you know what else? Look at, well, yeah, all the EMAs have crossed right here. If it continues up and this 55 EMA crosses the 200, that would be, man, crazy bullish. Dirksy, yeah, man, he's got serious issues. He needs help. Like, I could probably get a hold of Google and probably get him shut down on everything and probably get the cops to go to his house. He's that bad of a stalker. He's actually stalking. But I'd rather just beat his ass. Do a public boxing match. Need volume on Litecoin? I think you might see a volume pop. If we pop up out of this like it's trying to, we might see some serious volume come in here in a minute. Got 500 Litecoin here personally. Nice. Life of JT, what do you think Bitcoin is going to? We've went over that through, there's my targets right now. Thanks, Paul. Cops won't come for this stuff. I'm not going to call him anyway. I was just saying he is stalking. So he's got issues. The guy has a fucking problem. Stalkers have mental issues, low self-esteem, whack jobs. Benji's boxing. I boxed Golden Gloves for 2 years when I was younger. I actually enjoyed boxing. I got in a lot of trouble though, getting in bar fights and all that shit. So. $46.02. Litecoin's breaking out there. Volume's picking up a little bit. We still have 51 minutes till the 4-hour close, till the daily close, actually. Yeah, guys, smash the likes. Be much appreciated. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We do daily updates every single day. 219 people and 112 likes. That's sad. Take 1 second out. Smash the likes. It only takes a second. Helps the channel out. It would be much appreciated. LTC SAR indicator on the weekly flip bullish today for the first time in 6 months. Nice. Somebody just subscribed, but I think I missed it. I did. Damn it. Well, welcome whoever just subscribed to the channel. You guys probably seen it. I did not. Thanks, Chili Dog. What time frame, Anthony M, were you looking for the SAR indicator? Oh, I must have missed something. Thumbs down for the fighting talk. Whatever, man. Just sick of the dude. You deal with a obsessed, crazy nut job. See how you feel. Derek Roll. Dreek Roll. Welcome to the channel. And whoever subscribed before that, sorry I didn't catch your name. Alright. We're getting rid of another idiot. Adios. Sounds like my ex, right? Dave, you can choose to hit the X. Yeah, that would be... Go ahead and hit the X. Mike M, I recently tried to sign up a margin account on Binance, but it won't let me since I'm in the US. Any other exchange recommendations you may have? Join the Discord. It's free. What's up, Dan the man? Joe Ostrahan, hey Savvy, I make indicators for TradingView. If you ever want me to make one for you to help with the way you trade, forgot to mention that. Yeah, that'd be interesting. I'd like to do one that reads, you know, off of the EMAs, but I have no idea how any of that, you know, making them works. Dan the man said, thumbs up, people. It's the least you can do. Jacob Michaels, all the time and effort you put into that membership is a small price to pay. Thanks for all you do. Thanks, Jacob. I appreciate that, man. Litecoin is coming back down to test that resistance line. Now support. What is Bitcoin doing? Still chilling. I can figure it out. Just message me in a Discord channel later with your details so I know what to make exactly. All right. Yeah, sounds good, man. Is your name Joe Strand in there? What's your name in there? C172 said I was right, I think. Yeah, let's see if it can get support there or not. What's the RSI looking like? Yeah, the RSI is still stuck on that trend line. I don't know. It looks like it could pop. We'll see. Joe X11. Excuse me, X11. Jacob Michaels Blackhead. What's up, man? $13K soon. I don't know if you guys seen my... I think if we break out here, we may have some issues at 11K. If we do break this 8,500. Being that's the 0.618, which is the retracement from this swing high to this swing low. Just like this here was the 0.618 golden pocket zone from this swing high to this swing low. So we may get something like that. If that 11,000 breaks, it should be crazy bullish. And that could be right around the halving time. This actually would be around the beginning of March when we hit there. What's up, Edward Park? Good to see you here, brother. What's up, Brooke? Accept happiness, Ken Gross. Vincent, no matter what happens in the short term, the supply is about to get cut in half. Supply and demand, shock, then FOMO, in my opinion, will probably lead to the next big overshoot like the summer. G the Maggot was thinking tomorrow, 11,000. Nice. Change your top channel line resistance to non-log chart, and we are breaking. Yeah, I seen that, but I'm not on log. You're talking about putting it on log and doing that top channel, but I don't like to do that. I don't like using the log except for super long term. Brick F, glad to see some movement. I think everybody is. I think everybody is glad to see movement. 238 people, 158 likes. Take a second out, guys. Smash the likes. Much appreciated. That helps the YouTube algorithm get this people out in front of, or this people, gets this video out in front of more people. What's any news stories? Is there any Bitcoin news stories besides the China currency crap? One of the biggest bets in Bitcoin revealed to be a ruse. Whatever, he was just wrong, and then he said that, so he didn't have to eat his manhood. Bitcoin needs to break above this price level, blah, blah, blah. Nothing interesting, all just a bunch of crap. Most of the news you can just figure out yourself. Stop by work at 7,500, working out well. Nice. Holidays allowed fiat to hold on a little longer. War scare pushes metals a bit, but I think it's the moment we have been waiting for. It's getting damn close. I do believe that. For sure. We're dropping back down towards the 77. Let's see if that holds. Like I said, don't be surprised if we come back down and test this 75.80, 75.70. And if it takes a while to come back down and retest this, because that happens a lot. A lot of times it'll come all the way back down, retest this. We could, hit 75.33 or something later, but we'll see what happens. It wouldn't surprise me, though, for that to come back down and retest. It doesn't have to. 77 might hold here. The Sim Lane said, watching this is wonderful. Little Miss Baxter, you're all good. Brooke F, no, I meant any kind of movement. Glad to see it go down so I can accumulate more, and glad to see it going up, right? That's funny, Dan the man. All we need was John. But see, talking about him and stuff, that's what he wants. So just don't mention his name. Don't talk about him. Let him just sit and be miserable. Miserable little weirdo. Crypto Zombie just released a video, so he's back. Cool. Yeah, like I said, I knew he was out of the country. I talked to him yesterday or the day before. I don't remember. Newborn babies kicking your ass? I bet. I don't have no kids, but I've seen others raise them. Vincent, excited to see what's going to happen from here through the halving. Expect a big run sometime after the halving. This isn't because of Iran. This is Ricky Gervais pump or whatever. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to get off here, guys. I came in straight from work. Didn't get to spend any time with the wife. We got to eat dinner and stuff. So I really appreciate you guys stopping in. And don't forget to smash the like. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I do daily updates every single morning for you guys. So, yeah. Thanks a lot for tuning in. You guys rock. And I am out of here. No kids. More money to buy Bitcoin. Take it easy, guys.